What if a language model could remember the exact same words it's seen before and instantly reuse what came next? That's ROSA. And today, we read the actual code. Here is ROSA's slow ref. Just a few elegant lines of pure Python. No matrices, no softmax, just loops. For each token at position I, we ask, what's the longest suffix of our current query that also appears somewhere in past memory? That's the W loop always trying the biggest match first. Then the J loop scans backwards through history, hunting for an exact fingerprint, and when both sequences match exactly, we grab the value at J plus W, the token that historically came right after that identical pattern. Let's trace it on a real example. Our sequence is A, B, C, A, B. We're sitting at position 4, the letter B. Our query suffix is A, B. We scan backwards through K. Position 2, no match. Position 1, no match. Position 0, yes. A, B matches exactly. So we pull out the value at index 2. No blending, no weighted average, pure symbolic retrieval. Here's the clever part. Instead of comparing floating point numbers, ROSA compresses 4 channels at a time into a single tiny integer by taking just the sign. Positive becomes 1, negative becomes 0. 4 channels, 1 symbol, 16 possible patterns. This is the 4-bit quantization that makes exact matching fast and memory efficient. The full forward pass flows beautifully. Time shift, linear projections for Q, K, and V, 4-bit quantize, symbolic scan, binary output, then the final linear layer. If there's a match, the output is plus or minus E, a single learned scalar per channel. No match? Output is 0, sparse, sharp, and brilliant. Exact matching, 0 approximation, longest match wins, the results speak for themselves. Now watch as 3-dimensional geometry reveals the full picture. Query nodes in teal search forward, green key nodes hold past memory, red value nodes carry future predictions. The yellow connections light up wherever an exact symbolic match is found. The scanner sweeps backwards, locks onto a pattern, and the value payload travels forward, a perfect memory retrieval. This is ROSA. This is exact symbolic attention. $1 trillion ideas from 100 lines of clean, beautiful Python.